Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the latest fitness tracker from the company Huawei, and it is the Huawei Band 10. It is the successor to the popular Huawei Band 9 that was released last year. So we have here the Huawei Band 9, and of course, this is the latest, the Band 10. So we will explore the smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to have the unboxing of its design, the specs, and the UI of this new fitness tracker. Is there some improvement on the design? Is it much better than the Band 9? We will see. Okay, so if you are interested to see the latest fitness tracker from Huawei, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and unbox the new fitness tracker, the Band 10, the Huawei Band 10. So it is still the same packaging here. This is the Band 9, as you can see, the same size, the same style for the packaging. So we have here some details on the back. So ultra slim 8.99mm. We do have an enhanced sleep tracking, emotional well-being assistant, fluoroelastomer strap, 5 ATM water resistant, still the same, auto adjustable brightness, 100 workout modes, so this is much better, long battery life, and works with Android and iOS. Okay, do we have additional details? Okay, so we have the QR code for the support app. Okay, so let's remove the sticker here. Right now it is already available. Okay, you can purchase it from different company, especially on the Huawei official website. Let's remove here. So what are the contents of the Huawei Band 10? So we have the fitness tracker, of course, with the strap attached. We have here the user manual and the warranty card, and we have the Pogo pin, USB type A magnetic charger. Okay, again, the contents of the Huawei Band 10 are the fitness tracker, a smart band with a smartwatch look, and even the size, it's somewhat big. We have the charging cable, USB type A, the user manual, and the warranty card. Okay, so the Huawei Band 10. So let's see the dimension of this wearable as well as the weight. Okay, so we have here, let's go first with the weighing scale. Again, the strap is already attached. Let's see for the total weight. Very lightweight, as you can see here, 28.71 grams with a strap attached. What we have here is the black color. For the dimension, for the thickness first, without the sensor here, so 8.6, 8.7 or 8.6. Okay, for the length, so it is around 43.3. Okay, for the width here, without the button, it is 24.8. So it looks nice. I don't know if which is bigger, this one or the Band 9. At the back, Okay, it's somewhat similar to our previous fitness tracker, the Band 9. Okay, you can remove the strap here. Let's see if we can remove it. Then just press it when you want to attach. You can purchase a lot of third-party strap with the Huawei Band 10. So let's remove this. Let's try to check. Let's turn on. As you can see, we do have a physical button here. Okay, this is what I like about the Huawei Band 10 or the Band 9, the fitness tracker of Huawei. There's a physical button, very useful compared to the Xiaomi Band 9 with no physical button. I like a fitness tracker with a physical button. English. Scan the QR code. Okay, so about Huawei Band 10 model. Okay, so we still have to pair it with the support app. I don't know if you can skip this. Language English, and that's it. Guess we really have to scan the QR code, install the app, and pair it so we can see the UI of the Huawei Band 10. For the specifications, before we proceed with the UI, we do have a 1.47, I'm going to put it here, 1.47 inch AMOLED screen display, 1.94 or 194 by 368 pixel resolution, 282 pixel per inch. Available color for the fitness tracker: black, white, green, blue, and purple. 5 ATM waterproof and Bluetooth 5.0. So we have here some details on our website, smartwatchspecifications.com. Let me show you the features and specifications. So let's go with the specs here. Summary. So vibrant AMOLED screen display, IP68 waterproof rating. So there's no built-in GPS, 1.47 inch AMOLED touchscreen, maximum of 14 days for the typical usage, 8 days with always on display, up to 3 days battery life, 5 ATM waterproof. So here are the sensors. Okay, it supports Android 9.0 or later, iOS 13.0 or later. Okay, so let's connect the smartwatch so we can check the UI of this wearable. So we are done with the pairing of the Huawei Band 10 with its support app, the Huawei Health app on Android platform. So now let's check on the UI of this fitness tracker. Okay, so on top we have the settings here and other options. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On this side we have the weather and the music control. On the right side we do have the widgets and different options here, including sleep, automatic activity tracking, and that's it. So somewhat like the UI is pretty similar to the Huawei Band 9. Okay, nothing new except for the design. So much better. I think it is much better than the Huawei Band 9 when it comes to the design. Okay, again, this is the Huawei Band 10 in black color. Then if you have any questions regarding this fitness tracker, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.